Guys, may meeting na naman kami, training. Eto, kasama ko si Miss. Ayan ang aming manager.
Floor manager, as in tagalinis ng floor.
Ayan, nandito kami sa anong lugar na nga to? Media City. Ibang sexy nila, oh. Oo. And guys, ayun yung metro. At ngayon naglalakad kami. Ang lalaking building at napakalayo. Ang sexy nung kasama ko. Tatanong kami guys kasi hindi namin mahanap yung hotel. Ayan o. Tataas ng building kaya hindi namin makita. Ayan guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Media City. Ayan. A sexy lady. Ayun na, dito na kami mag-meeting. Ayan. Meeting training with a new brand perfumes. Oh my, yeah, it's better we have car here. Damak. See? Still far. You're right. 10 minutes walk from Metro. Yala, come. Oh my God. I think this one. Right? Yeah. Ayan guys, andito na kami sa building kung saan dito na kami guys, 42 floor. Ha? Yes, sir. You are in the selected floor. No. Please enter your destination. Understand guys. Hi guys, ito yung Media City. Nandito kami for training ng another brand. Ng perfumes. So, eto, ayan. Dito kami sa 42 floor ng Media One Hotel. Ayan. Hanan, how are you? You're happy? We are here now. Ito guys, andito kami para sa papakilala nila yung mga product nila, perfumes like those, Hollister, Halloween. Ayan. Ayan, piniprepare nila. Guys, yung yung Burj Arab, di ba?
Thank you so much. Before we start, I would like all Senson employees to stand. Now you will have a different impression about the brands you are discovering. You've got the props here.
Break. This is our food with Hannah. Hannah. Hi. The boss, they're busy. Ayun guys, nag-break lang kami tapos after mga 10 or 15 minutes, start na naman. Ayan guys, isa kong kasama para siyang hindi Pilipina. Pilipina yan. Ha? Di naman nakatingin. Guys. Hello. Bumati ka na sa Pilipinas. Ayan guys, hindi pa tapos yung aming training dito. Nandito pa rin kami. So, ayan, ang ganda ng view. Ayan.
Have 2 minutes.
Ayan, mas kakain na kami. Si Madam lagi eh. Ayan guys, lunch na. Ayan guys, oras na ng kainan, nag-lunch kami. Oh, ayan kasama ko. Diba? And this is the other sexy lady. Hannah! Hannah! Hi! How are you? Ayan guys. Ang ganda ng mga kasama. Alam nyo ba yun? Ang gaganda nila. Yes. Ayan guys, tapos na ang aming lunch. Ready na naman, papunta sa training. Busy sila. Yan guys, andito pa kami ngayon from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m.
our friendship. So, you know, I'm lucky enough. I have a friend in my life. I only have one friend, but this friend I can go.
I am so happy with you. Wow, that's
Ayan na guys, tapos na ang aking 5 p.m. Ayan guys, tapos na. Ayan guys, nandito kami sa 42 floor. Tapos na ang aming mga ayan, tapos na yung yung meeting. Ayan, dala-dala na ang aming mga gift from different company. This is Miss Noor. Hi. Diba? Ayan guys, tapos na talaga. Nandito na kami sa labas. Doon kami nag-training. Doon pala doon. Ayan guys, tapos na ang aming training. Ito na
Mabagal maglakad.
nauna na yung mga kasama namin noong bagal kasi namin maglakad. Sila papasok na sa metro. Nandito pa kami. This is Media City.